She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She
2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, good morning. This is Harshala and welcome back to my channel. I just came back from my morning run or jog. I'll tell you a very fun thing. Actually, last night me and my dad decided that we would go this morning, but as usual I didn't get up. I mean, I did get up at 6, but I don't know, I felt like I should sleep in, so I slept again and I got up at 7:30. Like, I don't know, I started feeling very shitty, so I thought that I'll just go and take a walk and come back. I mean, I do feel a little better and not that shitty, but still shitty. Anyway, today I am at my mom's place and my days look a lot different when I am here than what my days usually look like when I'm at my place. So I thought that I'll take you guys along with me. I plan on cutting my hair, like chopping it off today. Like, I do have like really long hair, so I don't plan on cutting it off too much or like changing it drastically, but I do want I don't know, a little trim, and I just want like healthy ends. My ends are like kind of dying because I colored it and stuff, and I think a braid works perfectly fine, especially if you want to work out, or I don't know if it works for intense workouts, but I think braids are just perfect for any physical activity, at least in my opinion. Anyway, this is the sports bra that I'm wearing from I think it's pretty damn good. I plan on taking a shower and write down my to-do list and just the usual things, and then I will go and get a haircut. So I'll see you in a while. Recently I posted this picture on my Instagram story. I'll put it here, and I just said that I've been obsessed with drinking chai lately, and a lot of you guys wanted me to share that recipe, so I think I'm gonna try and do that. But I don't have 2 ingredients that I usually like put into it, but everything else I have, and I am going to be making that and showing you guys how to make that, so you guys can try it for yourself. And beach mein thodi si thandi thi tabhi, oh my god, I used to drink this and I used to feel so good. Like, it's just the mood, you know. But earlier I would always reach out to like hot chocolate or coffee, but oh my god, this chai is like so good. I don't have sunta, which is basically dried ginger, and one more thing that I had put is lemongrass, which I don't have with me. If you want to have oily food, that's completely okay, but try and avoid sugar as much as possible. It will really help you, like it has helped me. So yeah, I am going to put some jaggery. Got my tripod back at my house, like my place, so I'm just like balancing it on the sofa, and I hope that it doesn't fall. But anyway, I was just getting ready. Like, I just took a shower, got ready, like dressed up and stuff. I still have to do my makeup, but before that I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I've been doing for my body care, and that is because it's been getting really cold in Mumbai. I mean, not that cold, but it is cold, and my skin is very dry, like a Sahara desert dry. For someone like me, I think it is very important to like moisturize my skin at all times. So currently I've been using this product by Mamaearth, which is Choco body butter. It is really good. The reason why I like to use a butter during winters, I usually like to use lotions because they are kind of light, but now since it's getting a little colder, and as I said, I have dry skin, I think something like this works just fine. The key ingredient of this product is coffee and cocoa. This is meant for deep moisturization. I also have the Uptin body butter, which is actually meant for deep nourishment, and this has turmeric and honey in it. As you can see, I have used quite a bit of this product already. I'll show you. See, as you can see, I've used that much. So what I like to do is I like to take a little bit and then just rub it all around my arms, especially near my elbows, because they tend to get a lot drier. I mean, usually body butters and lotions can get very sticky, right? But this is really good. Like, it doesn't make your skin look like, it makes your skin look really nice, like very nourished. At the same time, it's not that sticky, and that is why I love it. Just like take that much and yeah, just rub it all over. and whatever is remaining I usually just like to take it around my neck. And also the product is really good as it deeply moisturizes, improves skin elasticity. Another thing that I really like about this product is that you don't really have to reapply every 3-4 hours or 5 to 6 hours. Like once you're done, like once I do this, I'm done for the day. Like I don't really have to go in again. All Mamaearth products are chemical free and all natural. The brand is now certified from PETA as cruelty free. Another thing that I really like about the brand is that Mamaearth is plastic positive. That means they recycle way more plastic than they use. Also, if you want, you can check out the products. Links would be in the description bar below, and you can use my code, that is Harshala 2020, for 20% off at mamaearth.in. So the products are also available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. So if you want, definitely check it out. So I reached the mall and I'm about to go in, but I just wanted to say that what's with like malls not allowing cameras inside the mall? Like that is the most stupidest thing. Like how are we supposed to create content? Anyway, so now I'm here. I'm gonna go and get a haircut and then I'll see you. Just got my haircut and I think I really like it. I just got like bunch of layers and yeah, like this part I don't know, but like overall I think it looks really nice. I just got done with the edit and I was actually editing the same video that will be going up today. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear me, it's pretty loud in here. But this is actually the first time that I sat in a cafe and edited the video all by myself. Usually I do have friends or someone or the other, like someone does their work and then I'll do mine. But yeah, it was quite liberating, and if you haven't done that, you should definitely try it. Feels good to be alone, and yeah. So right now I am obviously headed home, and yeah, I think that's it for my today's vlog. Let me know if you liked it. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye.